Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Wish. If you're finding videos about passive income, you are at the right place. Nowadays, everyone is busy person, but most of us got a chance to look on our phone. I will tell you the perfect opportunity. I have made a design like few months ago. I was looking on my phone when I got my eyes on a cute sticker pack about engineering. I made the design through Canva. I can show you here. I went to the Redbubble and look on the search such as sticker pack, but it was not there. I decided to make those sticks using Canva. Hey, in further videos I will tell you how can you guys make super designs on Red. It took me less than 5 minutes to make. Here you can see just like this. After setting the right dimensions, I uploaded the design. The days went by and I didn't get positive news from the design. I forget it and got busy in my daily work. Few days went by and I got an email notifying me someone bought my sticker pack of engineering. It was total sale of $110. After it somebody I also got 50 stickers sold of same design. It was total sale of $50. After this I got number of sales on that design. Hey guys, here this is the proof. This is the sticker pack I sold and you can see the total and the number of products sold. I concluded some results from it. Number 1, you never know which designs sell well, so keep uploading. Number 2, you don't have to be artistic genius to make passive income on Redbubble. Number 3, if at first you don't succeed, move on. It will be worth it later. Here it is guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.